looks like there's some technical issues going on inside that truck of Wicked Sickness. Our crew chief leader is back in position to check out the scene of Wicked Sickness.